Hello dear, welcome back to my channel The English Jam, and what I am going to tell in this video is going to be very wonderful and very interesting, and I think that you all are happy and very nice with this life, and you have no problem, and you are doing very well in English speaking. I think that you follow all my videos and you watch every video, because for all of you, each and every video is very important. And in this video I am going to tell you one structure. I'm going to give you a structure to learn English speaking. I think that you all will learn English very properly. So now let's get started. First of all, if you want to learn a language, so for learning a language there are four things are required. What? First is listening, reading, writing or speaking. These four things are required to speak a language. And if you want to learn any language, you all have to do only these four things. What? Listening, reading, writing or speaking. So if you are doing these four things, then I think that you all will learn English. But if I talk about grammar, there are many people, they say I am learning grammar and I want to speak English. There is no need of grammar in English speaking. Don't worry about grammar, because I think that if you want to speak English and if you want to learn English speaking, so if you don't want to learn grammar and if you want to speak without grammar, then you can speak. I can take a play. I can say to all of you confidently, if you wanna speak without grammar, then you can speak. There are many people in this world, in this country, India, they are speaking without learning grammar. Yes, there are many YouTube channels and there are many girls, boys are speaking English without learning grammar. So I have told you, there is no. What is grammar? Grammar means that you will memorize rules, many rules, and when you memorize anything, you will be you will have confusion about English speaking. So I don't want you, if you have any problem about speaking, so that's why I'm telling you, if you want to learn without grammar, you can learn the and now next thing is this: how to bring English in the environment. This is also one problem, how to bring English in the environment. If there are two types of environment. First is external environment, and next is internal environment. If there is no one in your external environment to talk to you, if there is no teacher, if there is not your brother, if no one want to talk to you in English, then you can. This was the external environment. What is internal environment? You can talk to yourself, you can talk to your room, you can talk to birds, you can talk to trees, you can talk to yourself. This is called internal environment. So you can bring it in your internal environment. So this was the all about speaking. I think that you all will learn how to speak English only by doing four techniques: reading, listening, speaking or writing. I think you have understood everything properly, and there is no problem of grammar, and there will be no problem of environment, how to create environment. Only you all will have to do speaking. Speaking is also very important. If you are doing reading, listening, everything from today, then speak today, start speaking from day one, because it is very important. So that's it, my dear. If this video was wonderful, so please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.